can see there's some of the tar that we'll be taking care of. All right, guys, I hope you can hear me over the noise. So the instructions are we're going to apply to a cool surface. I believe it's supposed to actually be out of direct sunlight, which it's the first day of summer in Washington, so we are technically out of direct sunlight. But what we do is we spray the spot. We're gonna spray the tar. Let's turn it on. We're gonna spray the affected area. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you see the tar? So this is what was left after the wash and the clay and all that stuff. So then we spray our microfiber towel, and then we're just going to rub it. Oh man! And that tar literally wipes right off. Flip it to the clean side, clean dry side. And we're going to remove the excess cleaner. Man, she's beautiful. Let's take a closer look. So incredibly loud. Okay, guys, that was a quick one. Mckee 37 Tar Max tar remover. There's a couple of other spots on the car. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of those off screen, but I mean, really, this stuff, it's pretty fantastic. And you could see how easy it was. Like, that's pretty amazing. So if you guys have issues in your state and wherever you are, pick up some Mckee 37 Tar Max tar remover. It works fantastic. There's no other way to describe it. You just spray it on and wipe it off. Tar comes right off. So, all right, guys, till the next one. Hope you enjoyed this detail quickie, and we will see you on the next episode.